Hi, I'm Ranal from 64 Property. Behind this gate sits an impressive home. Welcome to 20 Wyncroft Street in Holland Park.
This beautiful family home sits on 679 square meters of pure privacy. The open floor plan flows effortlessly from the front all the way to this outdoor living area where you can sit back, relax, sip on your margarita and watch your kids play in the pool.
Hope you liked it. The perfect family home to provide you with the ultimate lifestyle. Looking forward to seeing you at the next open home.